You want your eggs to peel like that. Stick around. Okay guys, absolutely perfect hard-boiled egg every single time. You got Easter coming up, you got different holidays, you're wanting to do deviled eggs. You want to make sure you don't have to do all that crazy work by yourself. It'd be nice if you could knock out all the eggs at one time. I'll do 36 here today at one time with you. All of them will be absolutely perfect. So you're going to add 1 cup of water. You're going to put your lid on. Now make sure you're on the no venting. Alright, this is your vent steam. No venting, no steam. That's going to allow it to be pressurized. Lock it up. You're going to press your steam. 5 minutes. And as soon as that 5 minutes is up, you're going to want to have ice ready to go. Start. And as soon as that happens, let's get that steam out of there. All right. 36 all at one time. Let's get these in the ice. All right, get them set in there. And first, so we don't waste all our ice, we're just going to run cool water over them. Start cooling them puppies down quick. There's one you haven't seen in a long time, huh? It's an old, real aluminum Frigidaire. I love these bad boys. Get them whenever I can find them. We'll let that cool for just a little bit, and then I'll show you how perfect they peel. All right, let's see how good one of these go. I'm going to put just a trickle of water. I'll figure out how to put a clock on the screen there, but I just create the fissures all over it, alright? However long that was. Alright, so now they come in a big flat, so what I do with the kids is I let the kids know, because they love to just grab 2 of them, smack them down, tear them all up, and they take them off for breakfast. Everybody, kids come over here and they grab them for breakfast, you know what I mean? So it's a winner. It gets something in everybody's belly, and it's fast, and deviled eggs are available. You make egg salad sandwich in about a minute and a half. But the kids all know if they're in the box, they're raw. But if they're just sitting like this in the flat, they're good to go. Alright guys, try it. They're fantastic. We did 36 in 5 minutes. you can't get faster than that. And look, they peel perfect every time. Every time. And those yolks, guys, look at that. Absolutely perfect. Alright, if you do it for 4 minutes, they'll have that a little softer yolk in there. But these are just perfect, creamy, creamy, creamy yolks. Look at that. You can't beat that.